Today I'm going to be doing Leetcode problem 1287, element appearing more than 25% in sorted array in JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. This is given an integer array sorted in non-decreasing order. There is exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than 25% of the time. Return the integer. Okay, this problem is a lot easier than this description. It says, so pay attention to this, there is exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than 25% of the time. So basically what that means is whatever integer occurs most frequently, that's the one that's going to occur more than 25% of the time, right? So we just need to find whatever integer is occurring most frequently. So what we can do is, well, I'm going to just go ahead and grab this variable here, move on over to CodePen. Let's create our variable. Oops, I left off with a straight bracket. Let's create our function. Let's log it to console. So we can loop through the array and then store in an object how many times each integer occurs, right? I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to use the map method here on array. Call our variable num. Do our error function. Oops, I did that way too much. Okay. And so we can say num in object. This is saying if this key num appears in object. I'm using a ternary operator here. We increment num in object by 1. If it doesn't, create a key of num in object. We set that to 1. So if we go ahead and return object, cool. We see key value pairs of each number and how many times it occurs. And then we can loop through the object. So we say for key in object. So the object is object we're looping through. Key is each key. And then we can say if object at key. We're going to, well, and let's also create a variable called max. We'll set it initially to 0. So if that is greater than 0, we update max to be this new key. And we also need something to return, right? We need to return the actual key. So what we're going to do is we're going to say let result set to it would be string, and then if this is true, result equals key. Now what we need to do is return the key. Cool. But they don't want a string, they want a number, so we just need to put the number keyword in front of it, and we should be good to go. And that is not correct either, because why is that even working? It should be, actually, I made a mistake here, it should be result, not key. Huh, that's interesting. I just learned something. I would think there would be a scoping issue there because we define key in this for loop, but there's not. But anyways, that's not what we want. We don't want 10, we want 6. So So we don't want key. We want result. It's still 10. Interesting. So what did I do wrong here? Oh, right. Not greater than 0. Max. Now we got it. All right. Let's grab all our code. Copy it. Move back to Leetcode. Paste it in. Format our code. Run the tests. Let's submit. And it works. Cool. All right. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.